All right, guys, how's it going? It is me, Mrs. McClure, and today let's look at our high frequency words, just some words that we can review and go over. This is the word as, right? I am happy as I'm trying to think of a good sentence to use with the word as, or maybe it is as cold as the Arctic tundra. So think of a sentence that you can use the word as in. As. Good. This is our next high frequency word. Do you remember this one from last year? Good. This is the word he. He is sitting over there. Or he has a cool Halloween costume. He, and we spell it like this. H-E spells he. What about this word? This is the word to. Good. Like I'm going to school today. To. T-O spells to. What about this word? That's right. This is the word three. This is the number word for the word three. So it's T-H-R-E-E. The word three. What is this word? This is the word with, right? Remember the song? W-I-T-H spells with. I'm going with my mom to the pumpkin patch. With. Good. Let's review this one. The word is a, like, my, make, right? I make a cake. Good. This is the word make, my, like, a, with, three, to, he, as. Good job. So your assignment today is to do the read it, build it, write it activity in Seesaw. So you have to read the word and then you're going to build it. So you would find the letters and drag it and build it. And then we would write it as. Okay? So that is what you're going to do today for your assignment, to go over these sight words. And two of these words are spelling words for this week. All right, good job today.